Welcome back to Village Bike Kitchen. You know I love fixing bikes in the kitchen, getting them ready, making them work, but the payoff is actually riding them. So today, I left my house with no plan, just to set out, explore, and enjoy a rare sunny day in England. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, guys. My goal was a nice slow adventure ride today, but unfortunately the only way to the nice slow relaxing trails is to bomb down this hill first. One thing I decided to do on this ride was if there's a turn, a path, a side quest, just go ahead and take it. Today was all about adventure and just enjoying the nice day. So you'll see throughout the video if there's a spot for me to kind of go off the beaten path, stop at looking something, I'll do it. This is a section of trail that I do ride a lot. It's really close to my house, and sometimes after work I crave a trail ride and I come out here, and I find myself out here rather a lot. One of the reasons I come out here so often is the farmers here always have their horses out. Don't recognize these guys. My regular friends weren't here today, but always good to meet new friends. I've ridden on this road plenty of times, but I've always passed this little trail here. Today was the day that I finally took it to see what it was all about. Unfortunately today the trail was either really narrow or really muddy, and I kept getting stuck, and I just didn't want to get a flat, so I ended up turning around back the way I came to see what else I could find. In England, you'll see these gates all over the footpaths. Sometimes they're back to back to back like they were today. I think they're trying to send me a message and I'm not supposed to be in my bike here because the bike doesn't fit through the gate, so had no choice but to go up and over. But no big deal, just a little extra work and then I was on my way. So this is really cool. I found this plantation and it's only maybe 10-minute drive from my house, but I've never seen it before. And I found it today just on my little adventure, and it's full of all sorts of mountain bike trails. It's tons of fun. I'm definitely coming back here, probably with my actual mountain bike. You know, I just can't help myself. I built this bike to be a city cruiser, a pub bike, just for in and around the villages, but I always find myself
Hello.
in the mud, on the trails,
You okay, pup?
just in places that this bike probably isn't built to be on right now. This section of trail is really fun, a little bit challenging, riding along the fence here. I found this little ramp I wanted to go over and realized that fence next to me is barbed wire, so I tried to stay on the other side of the trail after that. What a pleasant surprise this was. A nice coffee truck here at this preservation. Although I was really tired, I was more thirsty than tired, so I got this delicious raspberry vanilla lemonade. Thanks for watching, everybody. If this ride's any indication of how I'm going to be riding this bike, stay tuned, because I think the next couple videos might be adjusting and upgrading this thing to make it a little more aggressive.